I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today we're taking a trip to the countryside in this new Tablerunner tutorial. Download the free French countryside Tablerunner pattern at Fat Quarter Shop. A link is in the description box. To make this, you need one 4-inch square and a square quilt block foundation paper pad, one print charm pack, two solid charm packs, 3/8 yards of an accent, half a yard of a binding, and 1 5/8 yards of backing. Today we're featuring the Fleur de Paris collection by French General from Moda Fabrics. The Bella Solid we're using today is 9900-11. The color name is Snow. After you've gathered your fabric and your pattern, let's jump into assembly. For this Tablerunner, you're going to be making 36 square and a square blocks. You can follow the instructions in our square and a square tutorial that's linked in the description box. You're going to have your print fabric in the center and your solid fabrics on the outside. This paper is super easy to use. This is what your square and a square units will look like once you have them complete. You're going to be making 12 of these for each block. We'll be making 3 blocks, so you'll need a total of 36 units. Now I want to give you a tip on joining the square and a square units together. You're going to put them right sides together and put your pin in the point of your first block. Then put the pin in the point of the next block. Remove your pin and place it right back. And when you sew the unit, your points will match. You're going to start with your fabric C accent print in the center. On each side, you're going to put 2 4-inch square and a square units. Press that together, and then you'll add 4 to the top and the bottom. You'll make 3 blocks, and if you use that point technique, I think you'll have great results. Each of these blocks should finish at 16.5 inches unfinished. Now you can see your block placement. You have 3 blocks to finish at 16 by 48 inches. We used a berry print in red for our binding and a really beautiful cream print for our backing. The French countryside Tablerunner pattern is perfect for a weekend project. You can either pull from your scraps or pick a new fabric collection. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.